think he's beautiful.
Today it's Street Football with the Sambos Part 2 with Predator, Fuzzy and Hattie.
Oh yeah, let's do this!
Go boys! Because I went against Hattie last game. He is now officially in goal.
Not officially, just officially. Is it? Alright. And just to say, there's going to be some specials.
Sometimes.
Like visitors. There might be some of our friends, might be some
of our friends and family.
And I promise you, one time it's going to be my dad.
Yeah, who is not Casey.
No, I think it's Saw the Marsacre, let's just say.
And I'm proud to say I just scored and FIFA 13 is on the way. Yeah! Yeah, so we're new to YouTube. Yeah. So, I was kind of cat, so sorry. But, we're really bad at YouTubing, so please comment and subscribe. That could be fun.
And yes, we really need you, so tell your friends. And family. And if you would do, or you get your shots from
Our YouTube channel needs you. We got on YouTube, so yeah.
I'd like it if we got maybe 25 views in this video, that'd be good.
Yeah, we've already got 25 in the other one.
Yeah, I know, but still don't get maybe one like.
We've already got it like
We can't know that.
Oh! Oh! Right, yeah. Hold on. It's 2-0 to me. For a bonus chip! Oh!
Now that's Timmy, I just.
No, it wasn't a bonus chip.
What part of this
We are going to be downloading KSI's, well not his, but he done how to get better in football in this invisible ball.
Yeah.
We have already made a movie, not movie, but a clip about that. So we're going to be doing that.
Hold that and feed
And
this
this. And we're going to be doing some of our movies, like zombie movies, which is most movies.
Let's go see my friends that might come over and play football some other time.
Yeah. Like my friends, like
Maybe we can
like
go away.
Declan and Toby.
Hey, what? No. Yeah. What's our friends?
Just to say I'm right foot, so my left foot shots are really bad, and he's left foot, so his right foot shots are still really good. And Predator has got a good right foot.
No, bad right foot, bad left foot.
No! Yeah, so what I just said, he's got a bad right foot and a bad left foot, so basically it's crap. Smart tackle!
Hopefully we'll get really popular with this.
Yeah! Yeah, like that used to give smart tackle. Oh no! Shoulder barge.
That's not PK. So let's talk about who's your favourite YouTuber?
Kiss. Yeah, maybe not.
I think it's probably, I'd say,
I like Phil's on fire.
really underrated comedy shorts Nemo.
Comedy shorts are not.
I do like him as well.
It's funny, but yeah, but sometimes it's not to get too much of that.
And Fuzzy has won the game next.
Yeah.
What is your final celebration?
2 in a row. Shh.
Right, that's us for today. Well, we might make another one today.
I'm going in.
Right, guys. Oh, God.
Stop me.
see, I'm always going to be wearing a hat. You're never going to know what my hair looks like. Can you see me? You can see me in my hair.
Yeah, I will.
Make sure to like and subscribe and comment. Bye.
I can't stop it with goalie gloves. I think you're going to have to do it.
Well,
Camera angle is really bad. 5 minutes, 21 seconds. Best of.